let's talk about meditation. I see many people are struggling, suffering, becoming frustrated. They think they cannot meditate. They try and it doesn't work. And I understand it doesn't work when trying, when seeking, when making effort. That is against meditation. That is to be in your own way. And to have the idea that something needs to happen when you sit down, close your eyes, relax, focus on your breath. That idea that something needs to happen, it will take you away from the moment. It will be a hindrance. And if something happens, then your mind wants to grasp it and hold on to it and show it to someone and get it validated. Oh, my Kundalini was rising. I saw the blue light. Oh, I felt this. It doesn't matter. It might be a preparation for something else later, but it's nothing that you can hold on to. It's to come back to your own center. It's to come back to your own peace. And if you try to grasp it, you lose it. It's simple as that. So the art of meditation is really to go nowhere and do nothing. It's to simply be present here now at your center. No seeking, no grasping, no holding, no wanting. Simply being with yourself, alone with yourself. And being okay that nothing needs to happen. And then everything can happen. But as long as you're trying to force, as long as you're making effort, as long as you're trying, it's gonna lead to frustration, it's gonna lead to restlessness. It's not gonna lead to peace, to you sitting with the source, sitting at your own center, resting, being receptive, peaceful. So this is the practice. It's practicing being present, being aware, practicing awareness. That's meditation. That is the practice of meditation. The state of meditation is to be at your center. The practice is to go to your center. Learn to go to your center. Find something that works and stick with it. And forget about outcome. Forget about some result. Nothing needs to happen. Isn't that a relief? Isn't that nice? You can let go of all your ideas, your beliefs. You can let go of your identifications. I am like this, I am like that. And we can go deeper into that in some other video about identifications. I did a video just now about self-enquiry, which is perfect. It's a great way to go beyond your false identifications. And yeah. So drop all efforts. Drop your struggle, drop your trying, and see what happens. And nothing needs to happen. But when you let go, a lot can happen. And until you let go, you're in the way. So just let yourself be. Let yourself be. You don't need to strive, you don't need to struggle, you don't need to force, you don't need to make effort, you don't need to prove yourself. There's no one else that can validate you, and you don't need to seek validation outside. And seeking outside validation, happiness, love, it will just lead you away from yourself, lead you away from your center, away from your truth. So connecting with your true self is to let go of needing something from the outside. And that's the whole misunderstanding. We have learned to seek everything outside. Nothing outside will fulfill you. But that connection to your own source, to your own center, to your true self, You go beyond all those old conflicts. You go beyond all that which has created conflict, which has disturbed your peace. And peace is your natural state. So just rest, just relax, just be with yourself, enjoying the moment, accepting things as they are. And then we can meet. That's also one thing. As long as we are out there seeking, trying, we cannot really meet. We cannot really meet here and now. Meet in the heart. Connection happens first inside. And when we are connected inside, we get connected to everything and to everyone. We start feeling, we start listening. And this is really the art, learning how to listen without being occupied with our own mind, with our own thoughts, without being busy. Feeling without naming, labeling, judging. Simply feeling, simply giving space, simply being, allowing things to be as they are, allowing energy to flow freely, not repressing, not trying, not being so caught up with the idea that something needs to happen. Let go of that idea and be free. Okay, enough for now. Thank you so much. Much love, peace. Thank you.